Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot C-3 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. This house was recently sold, however there is a house just 3 lots away from it, which is very similar. We have another video uploaded on our channel about that. So this is kind of just taking a look at the finishing product of this house because we've followed it for a little bit of time now. And it gives you a general overview of what kind of houses we can build. So we just took a look on the outside. We added the AC unit. This house comes with outside water and electric. You can see the electric outlet right there between the 2 steps. Now we'll take a look inside. There is vinyl flooring throughout this house. Here we have the living room. Got a fan above. The living room as well as the bedroom in this house comes equipped with a cable jack. Here we can see the corner of the house. So you can see how large it is. This is the thermostat. There is central air conditioning in this house. This is the cable jack here. And this is the kitchen. This house comes equipped with stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. They have a warranty through the manufacturer. Here you have the freezer on top, fridge on bottom. Got a subway tile backsplash throughout this kitchen. Here is the sink with an adjustable head nozzle. Got laminate countertops. This is the microwave. And this is the oven. There's also a heating tray on the bottom here. I'll take one moment to actually take a look at the cabinets here. They have adjustable shelving. And you can see in the corner here, there's an extra large cabinet. This is the furnace. It's responsible for the central air conditioning and the forced hot air in the house. Here is the shower. This is a 1-piece fiberglass shower. Got 2 seats in there. Here's the sink. And you've got the toilet with a cabinet above. Here's the back door. This is the electrical panel. This is 100 amps, just like a regular home. And right across from that is where you can have your stackable washer and dryer. Here is the bedroom. Here's the closet here. Got 2 screens in there that we provide you. This also has a wire rack installed. Behind that cover there is the whole house shutoff valve. And that sticker that you see on the wall here is the data plate. This has all the information about the home. This room also has a cable jack just like the living room. And behind this door is the water heater. This is a 40-gallon tank. Now, if you're interested in this house or any other houses that we offer, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the proof of qualifying questions, which will get you started on the journey to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.